the chart, Starbucks, another good company at a discount, giving out dividends. Dividends right now is, I believe, 62 cents per share. So I'm going to start off from the all-time high and work my way down with the Fibonacci. So zoom out real quick. We're going to go from 126.32 down to 68.39. 126.32 to 68.39. Right now on the daily, Starbucks was in a wedge. It was in a wedge, and it rejected 1, 2, 3 times in a downtrend. So now we're in a downtrend on Starbucks. So now I'm going to find buying opportunities to look out for when it comes to Starbucks. So let's see. Nope. $75.50. I like $75.50 as a bounce zone. I like $71.80 as the next buy zone. Let me see, $78.92. So I like these three next support zones. These three next support areas for Starbucks as buy zones. I like how we respected this area here. I like how on this bounce we're respecting this area and consolidating. Even in the same area, we're respecting the same zone. 1, 2, 3 touches. A few touches in this area also before a bounce, consolidating. And I created this support here. As you can see, we're consolidating, respecting the zone. Respecting the zone, few bounces in this area and a few bouncing holds in this area right here. So now in this area, I like this support as a resistance. As you can see, this support is a resistance in this area before the downtrend rejection on the daily. Let me see. Now I'm looking for the next resistance. Okay. So 93.71, as you can see, lines up. So I found 93.71 right here. The support right here acted as a support. This area, good touches. Consolidation zone, support and resistance in this same area. This looked like it turned into a supply demand zone over here also. See, rejected over here. Over here it acted as support before it finally broke down. Okay. So let me find the next zone in this area here. let's see. So 182. 182. Okay. Few touches in this zone. Zoom in a little bit. Few touches in this zone. Look at this. Look how we're reacting. Break and hold above. Then he slipped it through. Okay. So 182 is my next resistance. Let me see. $108.88. Resistance, support, resistance. Let's see. All right. So 108.88 is my next resistance. 117.46. Let me see. 117.46. Let me see something. $117.46 lines up with a nice double top in this zone. So I like 117.46. And let's see, in this area, 120.76, and I like it, this double top right here, nice, well, triple top, 1, 2, 3 rejections. I'm gonna go on the 10-year daily to see. Okay, so all of the supports I made in this zone, these are the reactions right here prior to the zones that I made it in. As you can see, we respect it as resistance in this area and support over here. Same thing over here. Good rejections at these supports that I made. Let me see, good rejections in this area. This is a resistance I made, I believe. This should be a resistance. Yeah, this was a resistance that I made. Okay, acted as support. Rejected. Okay, there's another resistance I made. It respected over here also as a support and resistance over here. Support over here. This was another resistance I made. As you can see, acted as support here. Another resistance that I made. I made these resistances over here, but look how it's reacting in this zone right here. And these were closer to the range that I showed you. So as you can see, these are the next resistance zones. And before we get back to the all-time high, I guess you can put this level here at 123.47 as a resistance before we get in this area. And again, like I say in my other videos, when I do resistance, it's not me telling you where to sell, it's me showing you if we're reacting a certain way at these levels, those resistance are the reasons why. Not telling you to sell, just letting you know. And as far as support, I'm showing you that these are good buy zones. As you can see on the daily, we're in a downtrend. we have one, 2, 3 touches of a downtrend. We broke out of this wedge. Next support can possibly be 78.92. After that, we have 75.50, 71.80, and then 68.93. If I go back a little bit further, see to the 10-year daily, zoom out. So, yeah. If we happen to come under this support, I'll make another video. But as far as what I have now, this is a good company. I feel like these are a lot of buying opportunities, but we'll see. Market does need to correct. This might be part of the correction.